Man, I was watching Shark Tank and I saw this incredible product right here. It's called Nature's Wild Berry. So pretty much this product, when you eat these wild berries, you won't be able to taste anything that's bitter. So I'm gonna put it to the test. So this packet, which I bought from Shark Tank, it just came in the other day. You are supposed to eat 2 halves of this wild berry. Let me show you what the berry looks like. The berry looks like this. I don't know if y'all can see that. You eat 2 of these for 30 seconds and you won't be able to taste anything bitter. So what I'm gonna do is put it to the test. I have a fresh lemon right here. All right, just bought it from Kroger, fresh lemon. I'm gonna put this to the test and take a bite of this lemon and see if this works. If it works, go buy Nature's Wild Berry. If it doesn't work, write some reviews or something. All right, so let's try this. Here's the berry. Now, 4 fresh pieces of lemon. I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm a little nervous, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Let's see how this goes. Man, it works. Man, it worked. This is a lemon. Oh my goodness. Hey, this is the product right here. I'm gonna start using this to eat vegetables and things that I really don't like, so I can get those nutrients. But this is a fresh lemon. It tastes like an orange or something citrusy. Fresh lemon. No lie. It works. I have to tag them. I have to find them on YouTube and tag them. This product is amazing. Amazing. This is a lemon. Hey, Nature's Wild Berry.